If all the three sides are different, you take it as A, B, C. Mark the sides as A, B, C, small letters. Okay, either you write A, B, C from here, either you write A, B, C from here, no problem. But all the different sides should be marked with A, B, C. Okay, now the Heron's formula, it is given that first of all you have to find out S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, what is the formula of S? S is A plus B plus C by 2. If it is 5, 6, 7, just add 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 2. Like that you will calculate S. Okay, what is S? S is semi-perimeter. Okay, S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. If the perimeter is 50, S you can write 50 by 2, that is 25. If the perimeter of the triangle is 100, 100 by 2, that is 50. Okay, S is called as semi-perimeter. What are A, B, C? A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. Okay, A, B, C are what? A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Now the Heron's formula is, this is the symbol for area. Okay, this is the symbol for area. Area equals to S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. Okay, this is the area formula for any of the scalene triangle, remember, and this is called as Heron's formula. Okay, you have to use Heron's formula to calculate the area for any scalene triangle. Okay, perimeter is same, sum of all the sides, as you know. So perimeter is sum of all sides. Getting? Sum of all sides. I am giving you an example to understand the formula. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 40 meter, 24 meter and 32 meter. So I have drawn a small triangle. Suppose PQR is the triangle and the longest side is 40 meter, little smaller one is 32 and the smaller one is the 24 meter. Okay, so I have just represented the side on the triangle. Now as I said, we will be taking as A, B and C. We will be marking all the three sides as A, B, C. Okay, so the sides of the triangle are A equals to 24, B equals to 40 and C equals to 32. Okay, so I have mentioned these three sides as A, B, C. Now we will use Heron's formula to calculate the area. So first of all, always you find out S, the value of S. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, what is A? A is 24, B is 40, C is 32 divided by 2. Okay, so A plus B plus C by 2. Now add all the things and divide by 2. Addition of this is 96 divided by 2. 96 by 2 is 48. So the value of S is 48. Now we will use the formula. Area equals to S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. Okay, what is S? S is 48. 48 minus A is how much? A is 24 bracket 48 minus B is how much? B is 40. S 48 minus C is how much? C is 32 square root. Okay, now 48 will be as it is. 48 minus 24 is 24. Write multiplication sign. 48 minus 40 is 8. Write multiplication sign. 48 minus 32 is 16. Okay, so we got this much value as multiplication. Now the important part is, remember that no need of multiplying all the values, otherwise you will get a bigger value and you won't able to find out the square root of that. Okay, so never multiply the value, always you find out the LCM of these numbers. So LCM of 48 is 224, 212, 26, 23, 31. Okay, so the LCM of 48 is this much we got. So in place of 48 I will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 times 2 into 3, 1 3 we got, okay, into what is the LCM of 24? Suppose I will hide this, okay, from here we will get the LCM of 24, that is 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. So how many 2 we got? 3 2 we got and 1 3 we got, okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the LCM of 24. Now what is the LCM of 8? LCM of 8 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is the LCM of 16? 16 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this much we got the LCM of these numbers, okay. Find out the LCMs properly, then only you will able to get the correct answer, remember. Okay, now what you have to do, arrange all the 2 together and all the 3 together. So how many 2 are there? 4 2 are there, 1 2 3 4. This is over. How many 2 are there? 3 2 are there, 1 2 3. Okay, this is also over. Now again how many 2 are there? Again 3 2 are there, 2 3. Okay, again how many 2 are there? 4 2 are there, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now how many 3 are there? 2 3s are there, okay, 2 3s are there. Just arrange and count how many numbers you wrote, whether all the numbers are correctly you have written or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So all the 16 numbers we wrote properly. Now the important part is find out common between two numbers, that is find out the pairing numbers and write one number outside. Out of this one we will write, out of this one again you write, out of this one, out of this pair 1, out of this pair 1, out of this pair again 1, out of this pair again write 1 2, out of this pair one number. Now square root will be removed, as you have studied in the 8th class, that whenever square root is there, from the pairing number one number will come outside the square root and the square root will be removed. Suppose any number is left alone, any number is left alone inside the square root, then that number you write with the square root, don't take it outside the square root, okay. Now multiply this and get your answer. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, okay. 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. Multiply 16 and 24. 84 meter square. This is the area of the given triangle. Getting? So this much, so this many steps you have to follow to find the area of the triangle. Okay, it is very easy. When you will start the question, then you will able to understand.